Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at these Marshalltown finishing tools for concrete. All right, so let's take a close look at these guys. You've got basically a finishing trowel, and I have a magnesium float. Both of these are very well made. You can see I've used them quite a bit. This one has a little bit of rust on it from being used over and over, but I love Marshalltown because they have been in the business of concrete tools for a long time, and they make a very good tool. I love the rubber handles on all of these. I have large hands. It's easy for me to hold and work. So my magnesium float, which has magnesium coating on it, makes it very easy to help smooth large areas. And I do like the way this one's made. It's kind of got rounded corners. I can get in corners really well, get everything pretty well the way I want it. And then I can use my finishing trowel and go over and finish the concrete with this. Sometimes I find that I just use the magnesium float and do a lot of my finishing just strictly with this. It kind of depends on the circumstances, depends on the concrete, depends on the setting up, how hot it is outside, and there's a lot of variables. But this is a nice set to be able to use your magnesium and be able to use your finishing float all at the same time, or finishing trowel, excuse me, and your magnesium float. Becomes a little bit of a tongue twister sometimes, but if you want really good tools and you're getting into the concrete business, or if you're a DIYer and you're going to do some concrete work at home, I don't think you're going to go wrong with Marshalltown, and this is a great set to own. It'll solve a lot of your problems. So I hope this helps, and I will see you on the next review.